Hello everyone, this is my review of this elevated dog bed with removable mattress. It comes disassembled, but it's pretty easy to assemble. You just follow the instructions. You start by assembling the bed mat frame with the support poles. These support poles have bungee cord in them that allows them to snap right together. Then you attach the 4 dog legs that elevates the bed up off the ground, and they're easy to attach because you have a Velcro here that allows you to put it together without having to force a pry. Then you attach your frame for your bed mat that keeps it secured in place so it doesn't move around. The bed is a memory foam cushion that comes with a cover that has an anti-slip rubbery bottom and a furry top, which is good that you can take it off and wash it when you need to. This elevated bed is really good for your dog's comfort, especially if you have heated floors or hot floors, and I hope this review helps.